Hello everyone, welcome to Vision Perfect channel. In this video I will show you how to make an extension box without the help of any specialist. Watch this full video, don't miss anything. If you like this, please subscribe and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. You see here cable, open box with plate, switch and sockets. Switch and sockets fixing the plate. Please pay attention to the wiring. Make a tiny hole, get the cable inside and tie it there, so the connection will not lose, if someone pulled the cable. Leave all the points, we use only 2 core. Other end of the cable connect with pin top. Yes, the machine is working, so the connection is good. So guys, make your own extension.